Good morning. No more dog walk for me this morning again. Shocking. Eva's got a dentist appointment, so we just sat outside the dentist and we're early. Get me? I'm never early for anything. I'm always 10 minutes late. So I'm very surprised, but we got here 5 minutes early. But that's given me time to do my video and say good morning to you guys. So that's good. So we're going into the dentist and then got a few other bits and bobs to do today. Steve has got an optician's appointment this afternoon, so we're going to go and see if he needs any new glasses. I'm thinking I might need to have an eye test as well, because my glasses seem to be getting a bit blurry. So I don't know if that means that my eyes have adjusted to my glasses over the last 12 months or so, and I might need some new ones, who knows. But I'm going to see if I can book an optician's appointment and get those checked and see if they're all good. What are you guys up to today? It is, I think it's Tuesday. It's New Year's Eve tomorrow anyway, I know that one. So whatever you guys are up to today, I hope you have a lovely day. Take some time to just enjoy